All right, meteorologist Dean Davison. We're going to discuss the next couple of days. We're going to discuss the possible tropical system that'll be off the Carolina coast, and we're going to discuss the rain coming up for the next week. It looks like we're going to have a cutoff low, and it's not going to be pretty by no means. So we're going to start off with what we're expecting for the day today, Saturday. Let's see what we're looking at here. Today we're looking at sun and clouds. PM stores 81 degrees, so it's going to be 81. Humidity will be higher, and those thunderstorms in the afternoon could pack a punch. Damaging winds could occur, some hail. We never rule out isolated tornadoes. So now we go into the potential of the tropics. 80% chance will develop in the next 24 to 36 hours. Move pretty much in this direction near the Carolinas before being bumped out by the showers and thunderstorms here. And then an upper level low will cut off, and then you're going to see what's going to do to our rain chances after this weekend. So the 5-day forecast, as you see on the 5-day daily, we have 81 degrees today. Thunderstorms in the afternoon likely. 88 on Sunday, hot and humid. 76 Monday with showers and thunderstorms, and then rain Tuesday and Wednesday. And if we go beyond that, we are looking for a even better potential for more rain up through at least Thursday. So it's going to be a wet week because we get this cutoff low occurring. So please enjoy the weekend and have a great day. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, and Responding Fire.